In this video, you will see how to type 1/2 in Excel like this. It's very easy. To type the fraction in Excel, first you need to click inside the cell, then go to the Insert tab, and here you will see the option of equation. You need to click on this option, and you will see a box like this along with these options under the equation tab. Now here is the option of fraction. Just click on this option and select the format for the fraction. So I'm selecting the first format, stacked fraction. After selecting this, you will see these two boxes. You just need to click inside the box and type half into the box. You can now place this box anywhere inside the Excel cell and then adjust the Excel cell height like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.